Hey, what's up guys? So this video is on the 2018 Kia Stinger here. This is a 4-door GT2 sedan. Just wanted to make a video on this vehicle. We start with the front. You do got a very aggressive front grille in the front. The new logo on the front too as well. LED daytime running lights. Go back to the side. We do have the red Brembo brakes on here, which looks very nice. Makes it look stand out a whole lot better. 4-door sedan. Go to the back. We got the quad tip exhaust right over here on both sides. It's a GT, like I said. This is an all-wheel drive as well. Definitely a very aggressive back end on this vehicle. Red brakes and braking on all 4 sides. You also got the air vents too on the car, which makes it look really nice, I think, in my personal opinion. Get a better view on this side. You also got the turn signals on the outside mirrors too, which is kind of nice. Go around one more time. Now we're going to show you the insides of the car. So you got the red interior, which makes the car stand out so much better in my personal opinion. You open the back side. Same red interior back here on the door panels. Got the speakers right here on both sides of the door. Now that looks really cool on a Kia especially. Go back inside the car, you got your automatic seats right here, lumbar support. Turn on the car. GT badge right here on both wheels, right here and right here. Nice infotainment system. Got the Mercedes kind of look inside in the interior, which just looks kind of cool on a Kia especially. You got your dual air conditions too as well. Definitely gives that sporty look. The shifter too as well, I kind of like it. Doesn't stand out too much. You got your drive modes right over here. And I'll show you right on your dashboard. You got your eco, your smart, comfort, sport, and then a custom one. The wheel is a leather wrapped steering wheel, so it does give you that sporty D shape too. I'll show you the insides of the car one more time. Then you do got your panoramic moonroof right up here. Definitely a nice touch on the car. Now we're gonna take this for a drive. See what it's like to drive the 2018 Kia Stinger GT2. Alright, so here it is one more time. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive. See how this thing drives. You got the heads-up display right down there in the middle too, which is a really cool feature on this Kia Stinger. You will see it when I drive this vehicle. It changes. So let's do it. All right, let's go. Safety first. Put your seatbelt. Right in there. Miles per hour. Real quick before we go, do you have all the driver's assistance features on this car? Right down here, lane departure, blind spot warning, forward collision warning, on the back, rear cross traffic, blind spot. So you had all the safety features that you do need on this sports car. too fast in the school zone right now, but when we get up there, I'll drive a little quicker. Driving a little better than your traditional automatic mode. Alright, so now we're gonna test the speed on this thing a little better and see how much it handles. I'm gonna go uphill first. We're in a manual mode. It's pretty quick, I'll tell you that. Picks up speed uphill really easily too. It doesn't grip too hard as well either. It's really smooth to say the least. Especially when you're in gears and you're in sport mode, more importantly. It makes a whole lot of sense. Plus you can hear the exhaust in the background too. you get another opportunity to do so. Yeah, it picks up speed really quick. That's important when we're looking for a sports car, sports sedan. Exactly. So now we gotta slow down. We're in a school zone. I'm looking to get another ticket. So yeah, that's the Kia Stinger GT. Overall, it's a pretty good car, pretty good sedan. Pretty quick too, which is really nice to have it in a sports car. If you're looking for a sports car sedan that's affordable, of course. Hopefully you enjoyed this POV video.